Woo! I'm excited. This is about to be episode 1 of coming back on YouTube, and I'm excited because there's a lot that I'm ready to give you. And my time off of YouTube, I did a lot of learning, a lot of studying, and I still am doing a lot of that, and I'm going to continue to do that. But my goal is to be the best coach I could be for my people and for you, and to just deliver things that work and take away pain. Pain's a big thing, and if we go throughout our life with pain, it's just that's all our mind is on. So I'm going to give you tools that you could do to take away pain and why we have pain. Today, though, is special to me because we're about to get a sweet shoulders and arm workout in. Yeah, baby, let's go. So we are just making pre-workout. So pre-workout as in I don't take caffeine, I don't tolerate it well, so I don't do that. And if you do tolerate it well, go ahead, use it. As long as you don't have any issues after, meaning pooping your pants, aka diarrhea. If you have that, probably aren't tolerating it well. So I'm just doing electrolytes, and we got essential amino acids. These have all 11 in there. And then I'm gonna do some collagen, because shoulder workout and arms it's more intensification, meaning my 2 primary lifts are lower in reps, just because I want to increase my strength in them and areas that I want to develop more. So if I get them stronger and then I go into bodybuilding, more volume, bodybuilding's more volume, I'm able to lift heavier weights for more volume. Yep. Pink salt, not just for pumps, but for hydrating the cell as well. Electrolytes consist of magnesium, chloride, potassium, and then sodium. I told you, I ain't messing around. On my page, if you read the description about what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to build a community of individuals that want to better themselves through working out, but understanding that this is a long-term game, not short-term. So we're going to do everything we can to make sure that we are pain-free through movement, restricted-free. There's restrictions, comes pain. So, and having fun, training based on goals and doing things that you like. All right, we're going to do a quick warm-up here. We're going to stretch our foam roll lats. We're going to foam roll the pec. And then we're going to stretch our lats, and then we're going to stretch our chest, and then from there we'll get into the workout. All right, real quick tip about to hit shoulders, arms. So we want to activate rotator muscles. Sometimes certain muscles don't get firing. So this point right here is for activating your rotators. So all you're going to do is you're going to cut your shoulder off and just rub it back and forth. Use your you're pointing your fingers, rub it back and forth, and then do the other one. You can do this throughout your workout if your shoulder is bugging you. Now we're gonna warm up. We're gonna do behind the neck overhead press, just feeling the bar out. I got 6 sets, five reps. We're gonna work with the 4-second eccentric, and then We're gonna rest, and then we're gonna hit a Scott curl, close grip, easy bar, and I'm gonna have some heavy chains on there. So these are my primary lifts for strength, and then knowing my goal, I wanna focus on hypertrophy, so higher rep ranges. So this is my first set. We're gonna hit this for 5. We're gonna hit this 120 pounds. I got 6 sets total, so I know I obviously can increase. So I just wanna see how this one feels. Warm-up's been feeling pretty good so far, but here we go, 5 reps. All right, we're resting for 90 seconds, and then I got my Scott curl, or sorry, not my Scott curl, we're doing a spider curl with the easy barbell, close grip. We're gonna hit 4 to 5 reps, 4 second down, and we're using chains. So total weight of chains is 66 pounds, plus with the bar and the weight I have on the bar, we're doing a total of 105 pounds. So that weight increases as I go through the concentric phase, and then it decreases as I get to the bottom. So far though, the first set for my press felt damn good. So I've been actually rehabbing my shoulder, and it's feeling phenomenal just with everything I've been doing. And that's another video we could talk about. If you're interested in that, comment below. All right, we have 10 seconds, let's hit this shit. You might be thinking, behind the overhead press, isn't that dangerous? Isn't that not healthy for the shoulders? It's only not healthy when you have no external rotation, and you have, external rotation is poor shoulder mobility. So 1, we want to gain shoulder mobility, and 2, we want to gain some strength while we're increasing shoulder mobility, which is external rotation. You got to have proper external rotation, be able to comfortably hold that bar behind your back and be able to press vertically where the hands are stacked above shoulders. So we have 3 exercises here. We're gonna do dumbbell lateral raise for 12, and then we're gonna rest, and we got a standing pronated grip barbell curl, and then after that we're gonna go into spider curl for a dumbbell hammer. And for now lateral raises, when we do lateral raises, a slight bend over, and I wanna raise slightly in front of my body, so more of that scapular plane, and wanna make sure that I'm reaching as I do this. Try not to bend your elbows. Try to keep them stiff, and you're just trying to reach and touch both walls on both sides. So I'm gonna try to hit 12 here, nice controlled, as best as I can. Now we're gonna rest a minute 15. All right, we're gonna do a fat grip, pronated curl here, standing. I'm gonna try to control it as best I can on the negative. 3 second down, gonna hit 8 here. So I'm using a fat grip just as a progression, and more hitting, trying to focus on more brachialis, brachiradialis. going to focus on spider curl, but spider curl, hammer curl is going to hit more of that brachioradialis again. Just this is superset, so right after your standing pronated barbell curls. I'm just really focused on an area that I really want to bring up, and it's more that thickness in the bicep. So brachioradialis and your brachialis kind of bring that thickness to the bicep more. So I'm going to try to hit 10 here, 3 second down, and kind of a pause at the top, so I'm squeezing my bicep. And this is my first video I'm going to be uploading, but I'm all about doing things the right way. And there's a time and place for doing like partial reps, 1 1/4 reps, and all that stuff. But proper range of motion all the time, as best as I can, because I know I'm going to get the most out of the muscle, out of the area I'm working. And it's more honest, meaning it's going to show you where you should be at with weight. If you're doing partial reps all the time, you don't really know where true weight is for you and where it should be, where you should be. So again, I'm all about doing things right, all about why we do things right. When we do partial movements, our body doesn't know if that's correct range of motion or not, so it just adapts. Imagine you start going full range of motion, you're gonna realize a whole new area to work with, and that strength at that range that you haven't been working is now weaker. So now you gotta dial it down a little bit and stick to a weight that you're able to do for that full range.
Give it to me like.
We just finished the workout. Shoulders, arms was good. It was actually hard to get going, honestly. As much as I was looking forward to workout, I kind of wasn't too. And strength training that I noticed when I started strength training, that it's a lot more demanding on the nervous system. So you're gonna fatigue out that much more because it's just constantly just, strength training is based on tempo lifting, full range motion, exercises, and just trying to build as much strength as possible. But the cool thing is we could like periodization, undulate into different mesocycles. Mesocycle is like a 3 to 4 week program based on specific reps, sets, and certain tempos and methods, and it has a certain goal. So you're going to see a lot of like accumulation and intensification. Today was an intensification because my behind the neck shoulder press was for 5, and then for the curls with the chains was for 5. But I'm willing to go deeper on my channel and talk about certain things. If you're interested, I love talking about it, and the more I talk about it, the more I'm going to be able to teach you, the more I'm going to understand it as well. I'm just trying to get better every day, not in the gym, but with being a coach as well, trying to learn as much as possible and trying to utilize it and do it and be a doer. Just like I'm filming right now, as hard as it is to put myself out in the camera, I really do enjoy it. It's just trying to be more myself on camera, and it just comes with putting in the work and being consistent with it. And that goes with any update. Currently at 180 pounds. So this is just me, relaxed, right? You can see my gut. So definitely losing some body fat. So this is more pose. All right, so we came to the end of the video. This is my first video back, so I didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to focus on the workout and give you little tips here and there. And just looking forward to keep doing this and taking you on my journey and growing this channel and growing the community of like-minded individuals that just want to get better, not just in the gym, but be better all around in their life. So it starts working on yourself, and from there on out, you just become the best version of yourself. But you got to give yourself a chance first. So if you did like the video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. And when it comes to doing that behind the head shoulder press, make sure you do have some external rotation. It's safe when you have proper shoulder mobility. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video again. Make sure you do follow me so you don't miss videos just like this and many more to come. I appreciate the view, and keep on lifting and keep up the hard work.